To grow a Chia Pet, first, soak the empty terracotta pot in a container of water for 24 hours. At the same time, soak 2 teaspoons 5 grams of chia seeds in a 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of water. After 15 minutes, stir the seeds with a spoon. Then let them continue to soak for 24 hours. You may notice a gel-like coating forming around the seeds, which is normal and will help them stick to the pot. Once the pot is done soaking, set it in the drip tray and fill it completely with fresh water. Spread the seeds evenly over the grooves on the outside of the pot. Then place a plastic bag around the outside of the Chia Pet and let it stay there for 3 to 4 days to help trap humidity while the seeds are sprouting. Inflate the bag slightly or put a stick in the pot's watering hole to prop it up so the plastic doesn't cling to the outside of the Chia Pet. Keep your Chia Pet in a sunny spot, like a well-lit window. Once the seeds sprout, check the water level in the pot every day and top it off whenever it starts to drop. Empty the excess water out of the drip tray daily. Turn the pet 180 degrees once a week to make sure all the sprouts get plenty of exposure to sunlight. Once the sprouts become overgrown, pull them off of the pet and wash the pot well with clean water and a scrubbing brush. Then, mix up more seeds and use it again.